Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet the Granny Square motif number 30. For this project, you're going to need to know how to do a single crochet and a double crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do those stitches or techniques. So to get started, we are going to start off by making a slip stitch and we are going to chain 4. Then we are going to work 2 double crochets into the last chain from the hook. And then we are going to chain 3. And then we're going to jump straight into the repeat, which is going to be working 3 double crochets into the last chain from the hook, followed by chaining 3. You will repeat this 4 times. Once you've finished your repeats, then you are going to work 3 double crochets into the last chain from the hook, and then you're going to join with a double crochet instead of a slip stitch, so that kind of gives us that chain 3 space gap. So for round 2, we're going to start off by chaining 3, and we are going to work 2 double crochets into the chain 3 space, followed by chaining 1 and working 3 more double crochets into that same chain 3 space. Then we will start our repeat. The repeat is going to be working 3 double crochets into the next chain 3 space, followed by chaining 1 and then working 3 more double crochets into the same chain space. You're going to repeat this 5 times and then you will join with a slip stitch. Now if you'd like, for each row there are going to be 4 of these rows to create the project, if I can spit it out. You can change colors depending if you want to on which row you're on. So we're finishing round 2. It's turning out pretty cool. I'm using variegated yarn, so this kind of does end up looking kind of neat. So for round 3, we're going to start off by chaining 3, and then we're going to double crochet into the next 2 stitches, followed by double crochet into that chain 1 space. Then you will chain 2, and we will start on the repeat. The repeat is going to be double crocheting into the same chain 1 space, followed by double crocheting into the next 6 stitches, and then you will double crochet into the chain 1 space, and then you will chain 2. You'll repeat this all 5 more times and you will join with a slip stitch. So again, make sure when you do your chain 2 that your next double crochet for the repeat is going to be in that same chain 1 space. So we can kind of see how the project is coming along, so let's go ahead and give it that nice border edge. So for round 4, we're going to start off by chaining 1 and we are going to single crochet into the same space where we joined with our slip stitch. Then you will single crochet into the next 3 stitches, and then you'll work a single crochet into that chain 2 space, followed by chaining 2. Then you will start your repeat, which is going to be single crocheting in that same chain 2 space, single crocheting in the next 8 stitches, and then single crocheting into the chain 2 space and chaining 2. You'll repeat this 5 times, and you want to make sure that when you start your repeat that you are remembering to work a single crochet into that chain 2 space. So there'll be 2 single crochets in there, the one where you finish off and one where you start again. Once you've repeated this 5 times, you are going to single crochet into the same space as the chain 2 space, then you'll single crochet in the next 4 stitches, and then you will join with a slip stitch. And there you have it. That is how you do the Granny Square motif number 30. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, and I look forward to seeing you in the next Granny Square video. Have a happy crochet day.